Hi, my name is Sierra. My grandparents owned and founded the hardware store, National Hardware Supply. I started working here when I was about 6 or 7 years old, and I was able to work with customers and write customers up and stock the shelves. And I really learned from a young age a good work ethic. I got to watch my grandparents and my aunt, and I got to work with my brothers and sisters. And I really saw what it took to build a business, and especially a business that really connects with its customers and really cares about its customers. For example, I've been into a couple other hardware stores, some of the big box hardware stores, and it's just a completely different experience because when you come into National Hardware, they help you figure out what you need to do, and there are no dead ends. If something doesn't work, we find a way to make it work. And that attitude, we can do it attitude, and that resourcefulness has really taught me so much in my life, and it's really helped me to learn how to figure out problems, and just it's taught me that I can do anything, and if I just keep working on it and try to figure it out, there's always a way. So a lot of the customers that are here today have been coming here for years and years, and they come back because the employees at National Hardware really build a relationship with the customers and make them feel like they're not just going to a store, they're going to a community, they're going to a store where the employees really care about the customers and they really want to help the customers to figure out whatever they need and help them build whatever they need or fix whatever they need. And it's just a really special place. And National Hardware is really just such a unique place because it's a family-owned business. It's passed down through the generations. Started with my grandpa and my grandma. Now my aunt is working here. I worked here as a child with all my brothers and sisters, and it's really a family, including the employees and the customers. We really consider everybody that comes in here a part of the family and really care about them.